Rajdeep, the opposition is completely united in its demands of the ruling party. It has already been outlined by Derek. I'll repeat ad verbatim. COVID, because COVID has not been discussed in Lok Sabha, economy, farmers, and of course, national security when it comes to Pegasus. Now, I'll tell you something that Derek didn't say. You ask any spokesperson of the government, anybody who comes on your channel, they will all say, yes, we are ready to discuss. We are ready to discuss farmers. We are ready to discuss COVID. We are ready to discuss price rise. And then you ask them next question. Are you ready to discuss Pegasus? And then you will be met by silence. You will be met by obfuscation. You will not get a clear answer.
No, but the opposition cannot decide the sequencing. Mr. Gaurav Gogoi, you are now in Parliament for a decade. You know that the chair will decide which issue comes first.
That's fine, Rajdeep. I am not going to matter of sequencing. I am saying at least put Pegasus on the list. They will not put Pegasus on the list. For the BJP, the Pegasus is some untouchable subject, unmentionable subject. They rubbish it off as a non-issue. It can't be. It's not even on the list. Forget it about whether it's number 1, number 2, number 3 or number 4. It's not even on the list. So therefore, I am not deciding the sequence. The BJP itself is shortening it. And meanwhile, they can pass their bills. They have their question hour. Everything, they're running it as per their wishes and whims. But the opposition, what happens to us?
Okay,
we are forced to raise up posters because the cameras are being diverted from us. We are forced to shout slogans because the microphones are turned off.
You know, Priyanka Chaturvedi, interestingly today, and we saw even yesterday, the Shiv Sena now is also joining in this opposition chorus. Until now, the Shiv Sena seemed to maintain a distance in a way, particularly from the Congress, even though you all are allies in Maharashtra. At least you all were not on the same page, it appeared, in Parliament. Has that also changed? Is the Shiv Sena's proximity to Rahul Gandhi and the Congress to be seen as a sign of things to come?
Firstly, Shiv Sena will always stand as the voice of the people of this country. And it is only the opposition which is speaking for the people of this country. Fuel prices matter to you as much as it matters to anyone who goes out to work. Fuel prices have been rising almost every day, and the government is brazening it out and not even wanting a discussion on it. Unemployment has risen by leaps and bounds. People of the country are suffering, but they will not discuss it. COVID second wave saw how people were running helter-skelter for hospital beds and oxygen, and we had a government which was busy doing Didi O Didi in West Bengal. We are talking about farmers'
sorry to interrupt. Government says we are ready to discuss.
Right now.
Priyanka Chaturvedi, government says we are ready to discuss these issues. The opposition is not letting us because your single point focus is Pegasus.
Mr. Sardesai, I'll tell you. Allow me to answer. Let me complete.
Yes.
Because these are issues that matter to the people. Farmer, there is no discussion. They have to withdraw and repeal the Farmers Act that they passed unlawfully, unconstitutionally, undemocratically. That is our priority. So we will continue, Shiv Sena will continue to speak for the people of this country and in their interest. Now, point number 2, the government is saying that they're willing to discuss everything. Now, please show it to me in the list of business, Mr. Sardesai, where the government has put up for discussion, a discussion on COVID, economy, rising prices, or for that matter, farmers' issues, or for that matter, issues of national security and interest, which is Pegasus. Do not reduce it to just spying and surveillance. What was happening was hacking of phones, taking away all the data, including their photographs, videos, etc., and having access to mics and cameras of every single phone. What does it speak of a government which, instead of using a spyware for national security, buys it from our taxpayers' money and uses it to, spy on and snoop on opposition voices?
Priyanka Chaturvedi, if the government tomorrow morning says, Priyanka Chaturvedi, if the government tomorrow morning says we are ready to discuss rising prices and the economy and COVID, will the opposition stop disrupting Parliament?
Absolutely. What have we been saying? Please, let's discuss economy, let's discuss COVID, let's discuss issues of national interest, national security, which is Pegasus. Why is the government not willing to discuss that?
Okay,